I bought this cat tree from Amazon. This cat tree is not very good. See those two plastic balls? An adult cat would not fit in those. This cat tree is not very well designed. This is good for kittens maybe, but not for large cats. So I'm going to fix it very cheaply. Here's what you need to fix it. A piece of plywood. I bought this particular one from Home Depot. A bath rug. This particular one is from Walmart. A staple gun or tacking gun. This one is from Harbor Freight Tools. And a pair of scissors. And a box cutter. What you do is cut your plywood, paint it if you want, and then cut the bath rug about 2 inches larger all around the piece of plywood, and then use the staple gun to staple the bath rug onto the plywood like this. Now what you have to do is fix the 4 corners. First you have to cut the corners of the bath rug, and then you have to cut off the extra pieces, otherwise when folded it will bulge, something like this. And then use the staples to secure the corner like this. Once complete attaching the piece of bath rug onto the plywood, I had to drill through this hill because the bath rug is pretty thick, and the mounting hill needs to be all the way through. Once the work is done, you have to vacuum clean both sides and trim any extra pieces hanging around at the bottom. I also added a couple of extra staples on the top just to prevent the carpet or bathtub piece moving around when the cats hang on to it and climb on the pad. Here's the finished product. Those top 2 pads were made as I explained in this video. That's it for this project. See you in the next video.